Welcome back, guys. Why put onion juice on your hair? Onions are safe, affordable and natural home remedy that can be great for your hair. It contains sulfur, collagen and antioxidants, which prevents hair loss by stimulating thick growth and restoring luster and shine to the hair. And then here is how to make our onion juice. Onions can be quite caustic to the skin. It can cause itching or redness, so it's advisable to mix it with an emollient like aloe gel, coconut or olive oil, castor oil and the likes. Onions also have a very foul smell, so you should add an essential oil to mask the smell. My sister said it smells like a sweaty, musty armpit. And there we have it. I'm out of spray bottle, so I'm going to keep it in this one. I use this purposely for my edges though. Don't forget to keep it refrigerated. I've got braids on now, so in my next video I'll show you guys how to apply this on your edges. You spray or apply with a cotton ball and then you wash off with your shampoo.